Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Flows and today we'll be doing a beat breakdown that I promised you guys. So I posted this beat before this video, so you can check my previous video that I dropped is this beat, and I'm going to show you the breakdown of the beat from the beginning to the end. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll be dropping content steadily, and if you have any questions you want to ask, you can just drop it in the comments and I will surely attend to you, and I will make a video for you specifically, or I will answer you there and then in the comment section. So let me play the beat for you and we'll start the breakdown immediately. Let's go. Let's start with the drums. This is what the drum sounds like. So I started with this rim. Very simple Afrobeat rim pattern. The next thing was this other rim to complement it. Just simple layering of sounds. So I added another rim, so a percussion. This is what it sounds like. Added another bongo again. So one thing if you notice about this one is that I pound one left and pound one right. This is to create a stereo feel, now to make the sound feel wider. I added a hi-hat and another hi-hat. And one thing you notice, I'm kind of boosting the sound with the velocity, so it makes your drums hit very hard. If you want your drums to hit very hard, you should learn how to boost your sounds so that when it hits with full capacity. Then this rim again. And this sound here is following this same rhythm with this first snare that I added. And I added another sound, which is this. And with every other thing, these are sounds. Okay, so let's add the kick. So this next sound, this rim, is what carries the full drums. It just makes everything groovy. And in this one I played with the velocity to give me the kind of vibe I want and the kind of rhythm I want. And this is what it sounds like. On its own it doesn't sound that great, but when you add it with the other drums, it makes total sense. Okay, and that's every single thing I did for the drums. For the pre-chorus or whatever you call it, I added this other shaker. And the drums and the shaker, this is what they sound like. Very, very simple stuff. And if you see, let me zoom in. I chopped the shaker sound to fit the rhythm that I want it to. So let's go straight to the melodies. This beat, the melodies are extremely simple. I didn't do much. I almost did not do anything at all. Sometimes it's just very good to keep everything simple, so that when the artist is singing or anybody jumps on it, to be easier for them to kind of think and do whatever they want to do with it. So for the main chord, I use the one shot. This is what the one shot sounds like. And this is the chord progression. Very simple chord progression. This is what it sounds like. What I really like about the sound is that it has a texture to it, so it kind of gives this nice vibe that I like. And I also added this other sound. It plays the same chord progression as the main melody. This sound is also a one shot, so this is what the one shot sounds like. So with that too, so for the next sound, I used a stock plugin in Morphine. This is what it sounds like. And the preset I used is KDB Crystal Keys NUC from Morphine. So the next thing I added was a bass. This is what the bass sounds like. So the bass is basically following the chord progression of the main melody. What I did was just to add simple passing chords to fill in some places, and that's basically everything for the melody. And I added this guitar sound. So obviously it's going through a reverb and a delay and an EQ to cut out the high end and the low end. That's basically what I did for it. Just a sound, I dragged it in and chopped what I liked. I was able to come up with this very simple stuff. Sometimes you don't need to complicate things, you don't need to add all the sounds in the world. Most of the time, if you're looking for a full mix or your beat to be complete, you just to mix some few sounds in, just do a good mix of the sound and everything will just sound good. And once you're able to arrange your sound, that's it. Before I forget anything, I added this Vox. This Vox is just going from the beginning of the beat to the ending. And with everything I've showed you, this is what the melody sounds like. So for the rolls and the extra effects that I added, I didn't even do much for this beat at all. I didn't do much. This is the roll. I also added this Vox. And then before I forget, in this other session, to keep everything going, I added this sound. just a float. Also added this sine lead. So with the beat in context, this is what it sounds like. Oh, I forgot to show you this bass. Just a simple 808 pattern. A very simple 808 pattern, and I also added this sound. And this sound is basically just following the chord progression of the main melody, and that's basically every single thing I added for these beats. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and turn on your notification bell so anytime I release, because we'll be doing this back to back. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask in the comment section and I will attend to you. So enjoy.